Locking liquidity on PinkSale is a crucial step for projects seeking to add credibility and security to their token launch. It ensures that tokens and funds are safely locked, reducing the risk of rug pulls or fraudulent activities. Here's how to lock liquidity on PinkSale. Access PinkSale website. Visit the official PinkSale website at pinksale.finance. Create a new sale. Click on Create New Sale or Start New Launch to begin the process of creating your token presale and liquidity lock. Select Liquidity Lock option. During the setup process, choose the Liquidity Lock option. PinkSale provides both standard and extended lock options based on your preferences. Set lock duration. Choose the duration for which you want to lock the liquidity. PinkSale offers options like 30 days, 1 year, or even longer periods, depending on your needs. Longer durations offer greater security. Add liquidity. Add the necessary tokens and corresponding funds to lock liquidity. Ensure the amounts are correct to avoid errors. Approve transactions. Approve the transaction in your connected wallet. This confirms your commitment to lock the liquidity for the selected period. Complete the lock. Once the transaction is confirmed, your liquidity will be securely locked. You will receive a lock ID, which can be viewed in your PinkSale dashboard or through your wallet interface. Monitor lock status. Regularly check the status of your liquidity lock to ensure it remains secure throughout the lock period.